What happens after death? Does everything simply end, or is there something beyond that we have yet to understand? Since the dawn of humanity, this question has intrigued philosophers, religious leaders, and scientists. Here at Beyond the Bible, we dive into the frontiers of science, philosophy, and spirituality to explore the most intriguing theories about life after death and the nature of consciousness. Prepare to challenge everything you think you know about existence. 1. Mythology and religion, ancient beliefs. Since ancient times, humanity has sought answers to what happens after death. In ancient Egypt, it was believed that the soul of the deceased underwent judgment in the afterlife, where its fate was determined. In Hinduism and Buddhism, the doctrine of reincarnation posits that the soul returns in various bodies over multiple lifetimes until achieving a state of enlightenment. In Christian, Jewish, and Islamic traditions, the belief in life after death encompasses concepts like resurrection, heaven, and hell, where the soul is rewarded or punished based on earthly deeds. But are these beliefs just myths, or is there something deeper behind them? Did the ancients know something that modern science is only beginning to uncover? 2. Modern science, quantum physics and consciousness. While religions offer spiritual answers, modern science is exploring the possibility that consciousness might transcend death. Theoretical physicists, like Hugh Everett III, have proposed revolutionary ideas such as the many-worlds interpretation. This theory, derived from quantum mechanics, suggests that all possibilities are realized simultaneously in parallel universes. Imagine that with every choice we make, a new universe is created, allowing all alternatives to coexist. In this context, consciousness could exist simultaneously in multiple realities, influencing how we perceive the world. Could death simply be a transition to one of these realities? Experiments, like the double-slit experiment, reveal that observation can influence the behavior of subatomic particles, leading some theorists to ponder whether consciousness plays an active role in shaping reality. If this is true, what does it mean for our understanding of life and death? 3. Near-death experiences and quantum immortality. Accounts of near-death experiences, NDEs, challenge our traditional understanding of consciousness. Individuals who have suffered cardiac arrest describe seeing intense lights, hearing conversations, and even observing events occurring outside their bodies. Dr. Sam Parnia, in his AWARE project, investigates these phenomena, seeking to understand whether consciousness can persist even when the brain is inactive. These experiences raise profound questions. What happens at the moment of death? Does consciousness simply vanish, or does it continue to exist in another reality? The theory of quantum immortality suggests that even if one version of us dies in one universe, our consciousness may persist in another. In other words, we never truly experience absolute death. Imagine that after a severe accident, one version of you dies, but another continues to live in a parallel universe. According to this theory, your consciousness would shift to the reality where you survive, without you even noticing the transition. Could this explain phenomena like déjà vu, or the feeling of familiarity with places and people we've never seen before? 4. Connections to the present, the Mandela effect and collective memory. Another intriguing phenomenon is the so-called Mandela effect, where a large number of people remember events differently from what is recorded. For example, many people believe Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, when in fact he was released and became president of South Africa. Could these discrepancies in collective memory be evidence that we are constantly shifting between parallel realities? If the many worlds theory is correct, small changes in reality might be happening all the time without us even noticing. So, what do you think? Is death the absolute end, or just the beginning of a new journey? In a world full of mysteries, one thing is certain: the search for answers about life after death will continue to fascinate and challenge us, reminding us that there is more between heaven and earth than our limited philosophy can imagine. Are ancient beliefs about life after death primordial interpretations of a phenomenon that modern science is only beginning to explore? Or is consciousness truly immortal, transitioning between parallel realities we don't yet fully understand? If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more mysteries like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Beyond the Bible channel and hit the bell icon. Until next time.